Nancy without treasure home and cooking dairy-free and alpha-gal with Nancy. So I'm doing the Daniel fast. So I will be posting this on both channels. So today I'm starting off, I'm having 2 eggs. I'm going to put some cheese in it and I'm going to season it. So I'm going to show y'all what I am doing. Let the little walk on it go. Here we go. So that's hot. So I'm going to crack my egg. Alrighty. Let me rinse my hands. Wash my hands real quick. Alright, there we go. Now I'm going to go fork. So just mix your egg up. And good old reliables of onion powder, garlic, and some garlic, some salt and black pepper. As stove do seasonings, you gotta keep your immune system going while you're doing this. Or I do. That's my suggestion. You know, yes, the bland food and everything, but still need something with, you know, have flavor. Use seasonings. Alright, we'll add some cheese. And that doesn't take long to sit there and make this in the waffle. That way you don't have to, if you don't have one, you know, in your pan or something, this goes right on in. Get that cheese in there. You close the lid. And as that's cooking, you can do your next egg. And since there's still seasoning in the bowl, I'm just going to leave it like that. I will add some more cheese to this one because cheese is so good. Get a nice good mix. And you can let, you know, if you want like a chaffle, which is a harder type, you know, almost a crunchy type egg, you can make an egg sandwich and put cheese and your like avocados or other vegetables that you like to have, or fruit on there. So I've got my plate over here. I did not choose these plates. And there we go. Pretty much as done as I'll maybe a little bit longer. Well, that's because it's cheese. Usually eggs don't take like a minute or so. I've got the cheese in it also. Just listen to it sizzle, 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 sizzle. And then if you want to add something different to your next egg, you can add your turmeric and ginger. Make it, you know, put some cumin in there. Makes it kind of a Mexican type egg or something or another. Alright, here we go. And it comes right on off. Now I don't have Pam. We don't have the spray. So I just use a little bit of olive oil, because it's nice and hot. I'll set it down for a minute, or less than that, just a couple of seconds. That way my egg doesn't stick to the top and bottom. Pour the next one in. Get all that cheese in there. And voila. I'll put this one down. And there we go. I'm gonna have this for brunch. It was go get the shots today. The immunotherapy shots. So I've got one, I'm fixing the second one. So this is what I'm having for lunch, day 1 of my Daniel fast. Y'all, God bless, stay safe, we love y'all, and we'll see you next time. My treasure home and cooking dairy free with alcohol.